Good morning, dear wife.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Myself Vani and this is my husband Bona. Welcome to the first episode of our marriage life series. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of our new journey.
The sun is warm today.
Yes, and the breeze is lovely.
Here, have some.
Thank you.
It's good to relax, indeed.
Peaceful. Welcome to our channel. Today in our tiny kitchen, I will prepare one tasty Indian thali for my dear husband. Let's get started.
That sounds wonderful, my dear.
Yum, halwa smells nice. Oh, plate looks nice. Let me check the salt. So, tell me honestly, how was my dish? Did you like it? And if there's something special you want me to cook next, drop it in the comments. In my next video, I'll make your requested dish. I made your favorite dishes.
Thank you, it looks wonderful. I will carry the tray.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yes, the courtyard is lovely.
I am glad. Let us begin the puja.
Yes, please offer the sweets.
Here you are.
Thank you. Now, the lamp.
I will light it.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. The food is really very tasty. Please give me some more halwa.
Of course, I'm glad you like it.
Thank you, my dear.
You are welcome. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our life, then subscribe to our channel.